everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to buy and sell crypto on Revolut. So first thing you're going to need to do is open the application, log in if needed, and once you're here, tap on the crypto at the bottom, and then you will be transferred to this page where you can see all the cryptocurrencies. So to buy a crypto, you just have to tap on any cryptocurrency that you want. So for example, Tether. So here you can tap on buy. There is a button for that. And then in here you can type in the amount of the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So just type in the amount. And then once you have typed in the amount of the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, then you just have to tap on review order. And now in here in this page, you can review all the details, and after that just confirm the order. And then this notification will then pop up. As you can see, it says there that you bought this amount for 2 euros. Then to sell a crypto, just go back to crypto, tap on that crypto, and then in here you can see the cryptocurrency that you currently own. In this example, I have Tether only, so I'll just tap on that one. And then in here you can see beside the buy button there is a sell button, so you can tap on that one to sell the crypto. And then just what I did earlier, just tap on the amount or type in the amount of the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. And then once you have typed in, just tap on review order again and just review all the details, double check everything, and then confirm the order. And there you go, you have already sold the amount of the cryptocurrency. And that's it. That's how you buy and sell crypto on Revolut. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!